PlayStation Plus service raises prices for annual subscription tiers on September 6. New prices affect all regions. Sony Interactive Entertainment announced on Wednesday that it is increasing the annual subscription prices of its PlayStation Plus online gaming subscription service across all regions beginning September 6. Current annual subscribers will not see the new price until the next renewal date after November 6. The new 12-month subscription prices are as follows. PlayStation Plus Essentials 12-month subscriptions $79 99 cents, 71 euros and 99 cents, 59 pounds and 99 pence, 6,800 yen, up from $59 99 cents, 49 euros and 99, 49 pounds and 99 pence, 5,143 yen. PlayStation Plus Extra 12-month subscription, $134 and 99 cents, 125 euros 99 pounds and 99 pence, 11,700 yen, up from $999 dollars and 99 cents, 99 euros and 83 pounds and 99 pence, 8,600 yen. PlayStation Plus Premium 12-month subscription, $159 99 cents, 151 euros and 99, 119 pounds and 99 pence, 13,900 yen, up from $190 99 cents, 119 euros and 99 pounds and 99 pence, and 12,500 yen. PlayStation Plus is required for many online multiplayer games, and the service also offers several free games each month. PlayStation Plus Essential gives subscribers access to online multiplayer games, 2 free games a month, curated by SIE, and cloud storage for saves. The extra tier has everything for Essential, but also includes access to a back catalog of PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 games. The premium tier has everything for Essential and Extra, but it also includes a back catalog of PlayStation 3 games and access to a select catalog of PlayStation 2 and PlayStation Portable games, as well as playing games via streaming to compatible devices and time-limited trials on some games.